Gaul is divided into three parts: the Belgae, the Aquitani, and the Celts, whom we call Gauls. Of these, the Helvetii are the bravest. They engage in battles with the Germans almost daily. They burned their towns, their villages, leaving everything behind them. They sent ambassadors to me, requesting passage through our province. At the same time, word came from other tribes in Gaul. Ariovistus, king of the Germans, was taking their lands. They asked for protection. They said that without it, Gaul would fall. This I could not allow.
Mother, we are far from home now. The land is colder than I expected. The tribes are not like ours. Some say they burn their homes before they leave them, so there is nothing to return to. I do not yet understand it. There is excitement in the camp. A general is coming to take command.
General! General!
Father says I have to learn quickly here. I am trying. He worries, though he would never say it. Decimus was promoted. He now leads the first cohort. You would be proud, Mother. The men follow him. He still finds time to guide me. I hope to be like him one day. I haven't been sleeping well. I keep having troubling dreams about Furius. Have you heard from him? Tell my sisters I think of them often. I miss them. I hope they are well, and that they are still laughing. Give them my love, your son, Atticus.
General! 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 You are now soldiers of the 10th, my firstborn sons. We march for Gaul in the morning. The enemy does not wait for dawn. Be ready!
In the morning we ride with Caesar to meet the king of the Germans. He has chosen the 10th to escort him. We ride at dawn, sons. Rest while you can.
If I were to kill you here, there are many among your own people who would thank me for it.
Is this how you greet an old friend?
A friend would not bring an army to my home.
This is not your home. It is Rome.
Rome cannot own the world, leaving scraps for the rest of us.
You will release the hostages by morning and withdraw across the Rhine. I will await your answer by morning.
You can have my answer now.
They're not just men, you know. They're like animals.
Did you hear the rumors?
I have heard they are giants.
Impossible to kill and half naked in this cold.
Did you hear the rumors?
They say the Germans are giants. Impossible to kill. Impossible to kill. Impossible to kill.
I hear rumors moving through the camp that the Germans are too fierce, that their warriors cannot be faced! If this is what you believe, then stay behind! I will march with the 10th Legion alone! Siangedwchig! Rond y gogdau! Siwlyn I ddacod! Siwn I sig for mai! Convertible fight! Kneeling on! Again. Do you understand, Decimus?
Soli sombra
Where's father? Where's father? Where's father?
Ariovistus having been defeated, the Germans were driven back across the Rhine. These matters being settled, Gaul, for the moment, was secured. But intelligence was soon brought to me that the Belgae, the bravest of all the tribes, were gathering their forces against Rome. And so, when the season allowed, I turned the legions north.